In this video, I'm going to simply guide you on how you can make a simple compound interest calculator application that can work on both mobile phone and also on web browsers, okay? And you can as well monetize this particular tool using AdMob, AdSense, Adsterra, and lots more, okay? So I'm going to simply guide you on how this works. For this application, I'm going to be giving you the prompt, and at the end part of this very video, I'm also going to simply show you how you can monetize it. So if you're ready, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and also don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here, okay? So the first thing you need to do right now is simply head over to your DeepSeek, and apart from DeepSeek, you can as well use ChatGPT right here, okay? So when you head over to DeepSeek, click on this start button. When you head over to DeepSeek, the next you have to do right now is simply go ahead and copy this particular prompt, which I'm going to give you right now. So this is the prompt I've already provided, and for you to get this prompt, just make sure you join us on our Telegram and also on WhatsApp channel to get this prompt, okay? I'm going to simply drop the link for this particular prompt, right? And I'm going to simply copy this particular prompt the way it is from here. Let's go down. Okay, so this is the prompt. Then click on copy, then come back to DeepSeek, then paste this prompt here. Okay, so this is what I wrote here: generate a modern, fully responsive compound interest calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a single code block. Okay, the design should be sleek with cool animation and a red and black gradient theme. Okay, if you click on this, you can see right here, this is the website we're going to simply use for this, okay? And we're going to be using a professional domain, right? So I would recommend you go ahead and get a hosting for yourself, or you can use your existing website blog, right? So if you have a blog website, this is going to simply work for you, right? So I will advise you to go ahead and get a blog for yourself. This is one of my blog, and also converted this particular blog into a tool website, okay? And if you click on our tool right here, if you want to go to this YouTube extractor tool, if you click on it, you're going to see this is it right here. This is YouTube extractor tool, which I've already built, and I showed you guys how to build this, okay? So I decided to use red and black for all the whole team, right? So if I come back here, go to your dashboard, then go back to DeepSeek, then hit on this send button, okay? So you have to make sure you customize it to your own taste, okay? If you don't want to use red and black, make sure you remove this so that your own will be unique, okay? Then hit on this send button. It is done generating that, okay? You can show right here, these are the details of this particular application, and the reason why I decided to add most of these details on the prompt is because I want this to just be a full page, okay, where people can get all the details, information they need about the tool, okay? If I go to this section, then click on run HTML, then let's see how this particular tool is going to simply look like, okay? You can see how it looks like compound interest calculator. This is where you can put in their principal amount. This is where you can put in their interest rate, number of years. Then from this number of years, you can decide to select year right here. You can see it is working perfectly. And if you come to this section, you're going to see times compounded per year, okay? This is where they can easily click on, and this will be calculated for them. What we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and copy that, okay? Click on copy button, then go back to dashboard, come over to this section that says pages, click on add new page, okay? All right, so when you click on that, then go ahead and add the name. All right, so this is compound interest calculator. That is the name of the tool we are building. And on this section, you have to simply click on this plus button, and you're going to simply go ahead and select HTML, search for HTML. You can see this section that says custom HTML, click on it. Then you have to simply paste the HTML we've already copied. Remember, this is what we copied. Click on copy button. It is going to copy the entire stuff, right? Then come back here, paste it right here. Click on the paste button, and the next you have to do right now is simply click on this publish button, okay? Then hit on publish. All right, so it has been published. Then another thing we have to do is to hit on this preview button, okay? You can see the link has automatically changed. This is tools.minjohnfrancis.com/compound interest calculator, okay? So under this compound interest calculator, you're going to see other tools on this particular website. For instance, if I want to calculate, I can easily go ahead and input the amount, let's say, then interest per year, let's say 50, then number of years, let's say 2 years, then time compounded per year, let's say 2, then click on calculate. You can see right here, it is going to simply give you the whole stuff, right? The amount after interest and the total interest, and under that you're going to see metrics like graph showing the whole stuff. Remember, we are viewing this on the dashboard section, so let's copy this particular tool right now and go to incognito. Like, let's see how visitors are going to simply see it. Okay, come back here, click on this incognito mode, then paste the link here. Let's see. When you paste the link or allow it to load, you can see this is how it works. Okay, this is really cool, and you can see the ads are displaying on the platform. Okay, and this particular website is already monetized. You can see it's already monetized, and I'm going to simply show you how to do that as well. Okay, if you didn't watch our first video, this is the website and it's cool already, and I'm going to simply show you how you can easily go ahead and monetize this for yourself. Okay, so if you head over to your browser or to your website dashboard, come over to this section that says dashboard. When you click on that, make sure you install these tools, which I've already installed. Make sure you install a code snippet right here, or ad inserter. Okay, ad inserter is going to simply help you to add advertisement to your application. Okay, for instance, if you want to add AdMob ad, you're not going to use that particular plugin. You're going to simply convert this to a mobile application, which I'm going to show you right here in this video. Okay, you can simply go ahead and log into your AdSense, then get your AdSense code. But if you don't have AdSense, you can use Adsterra. Okay, go to the website section. You're going to simply add the website right here. Okay, by clicking on this add website. When you click on that, then go over to this section right here, go to your website, then copy your website domain from here. If you've already added one, don't add again. Okay, then add your website name here. Then on this section, select a category. Let's say you want to select on this section, I'm going to simply select converter right here, then click on this banner right here, then click on this add button. Okay, so I've already added my website, I'm not going to add that again. So when you add one, this is banner right here, then I'm going to simply copy this code. When you copy the code, come back to your browser right here, and you have to paste it somewhere here. Okay, then if you scroll down, you're going to see where you have to paste this particular code. Okay, where you want the ad to display, that is where it's going to simply be. Okay, for instance, if I want it to be after post or after image or after content, I have to select that. Okay, then after making the changes, you hit on this save button, and you're going to simply see the ad showing up on the particular section where you decided to paste it. Okay, you can see right here, this is where the ads are showing. When your tool is ready, this is what you're going to do to convert it to a mobile app. Copy this particular link right here, and then come back to this very website here, come back to this section right here, and I've already made a video on how you can simply build an application and monetize with AdMob. If you've not watched that video, go ahead and watch the video showing on screen right now. Okay, then click on this create new app. Okay, then you have to add your app name. Let's say you want to add compound interest calculator. Okay, but if it is going to simply be long, just use CIC. Okay, CI calculator. Okay, so let's say calculator. Alright, then click on the next button, and you have to select a template for this particular application. Okay, I'm going to simply use this one. Okay, so that it won't be boring stuff. Alright, so click on that, and this is going to simply generate application for you. Okay, so in this application, you can build an Android application and also an iOS application, which can work for you perfectly. Okay, and all you have to do right now is simply go to the app content, which is this right here. When you click on that, make sure you add the content of your application, and the content should be website. Okay, you just select this website. Okay, when you select that, then you have to simply put in the application name right here. Put in the link right here, which you copied already. This is the link. Simply go ahead and click on this save button, Remember guys, I've already made a full detailed tutorial on how to build this particular application, okay? And if you've not watched that video, just go ahead and click the video right here showing your screen. And I will also make a video on how you can upload your app on Amazon App Store and get approved, okay? You can add more details about your application, and all of them are going to be on this very section, okay? For you to monetize with AdMob, you just have to make sure you add the content. After adding that, scroll down to this section that says monetization, okay? And you have to simply click on this advertisement, add your AdMob ID, interstitial ID, and all of that, okay? So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel. See you in my next video.